Now, a lot of people quite rightly get worried about drilling tiles. Two things I can tell you. One is that use plenty of water and a diamond bit. Now, you might think diamond, that's expensive, but this whole kit that I got here, which includes 10 different sizes of diamond core bit, was around 10 quid on eBay. So we're going to put the link below for that. You can see that in our details. But also, let me just say, the other thing is, it isn't necessarily the drilling. If you take it slowly, there's no reason why you should ever crack a tile when you're drilling. But what happens is people then put the plug in through the tile, and when they put the screw in, if they use a parallel thread, you're absolutely fine because the plug doesn't expand along its length. But if you use a tapered thread, in other words, one that starts thin at the top and comes out wider at the end, then as you just screw that screw in and it expands that plug, it's at that point that it cracks the tile. You just get that last bit, you go, oh, it's gone. So the important thing is, what it says in the instructions for this screen is to use two different drill bits. One to drill the hole all the way through for your fixing and your plug, but the other one you just drill through the tile, which is a wider one. So you've got one at 5mm, one at 7mm. So the 7mm one just gives you enough room for the head of that plug to expand. And if you do that, if you make sure that there's no pressure from that plug on the tile itself, you'll be absolutely fine. It's just a question thinking about what you're doing and taking your time.